Hi learners, it's me Sherin, and today I will be sharing with you another Bahasa Indonesia words with dual meaning. Have you heard of this word? The word halaman can be used to mean the English word page, as in the page of a book, or it can be used to mean the word yard, as in the backyard or front yard of a house. For both meanings, this word halaman is spelled and pronounced the exact same way. So, how do you know which word means which in a conversation? Watch the next following clips to have a better idea of how to tell the two words apart.
Rio, bolehkah aku meminjam buku yang kamu beli minggu lalu?
Wah, maaf, aku belum selesai membacanya.
Oh, begitu. Kamu sudah baca sampai mana?
Aku baru baca sampai halaman 40. Sedikit lagi selesai. Tolong bersabar ya.
Baiklah, aku akan menunggu.
Baiklah. Lutfi, aku sudah menyelesaikan naskah untuk besok. Tolong bantu cetak ya. Halaman 1 sampai 3.
Baik, aku akan cetak sekarang ya.
Terima kasih Lutfi.
Sama-sama, Rio. Rio, akhir minggu ini kamu ada acara?
Tidak, kenapa?
Bagaimana kalau kita bermain bulu tangkis di halaman depan rumahku?
Baiklah, sudah lama aku tidak bermain bulu tangkis.
Rio, kamu mau pergi kemana?
Aku mau pergi ke halaman belakang. Aku ingin menyiram tanaman.
Oh, begitu. Apakah kamu butuh bantuan?
Tidak, terima kasih.
Baiklah.
There you have it! As you can see from the examples that we gave, to know which meaning of the word is being used all depends on the context. In order to improve your fluency, we recommend that you practice using this word and its two meanings as much as you can in your daily life. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe. It means a lot to us when you do. And hit the notification button so that you can stay connected and catch up with all of our newest videos. To read about this word and its two meanings, we have linked our blog in the description below. If you have enjoyed learning, don't forget to share this video and connect to our social media accounts. Until the next video, sampai jumpa!